Hello guys, my name's Rhiannon, and today I will show you how to build this KEVA tower and this KEVA rail. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna build is a tower. So you want to start off with 2 planks and then place them like this, you know, here. And then you want to rotate it so that it looks like a cross now, or tic-tac-toe board if you want to say that. And then you want to continue that pattern until you've reached your desired height. Alright, now we're gonna do a time lapse. Now we're gonna cap off the tower. Like this. If you want to, you can add something on top to make it look better. Like this. Okay, now we're gonna build the rail. So first, for the rail, we need a ramp. To start with the ramp, we need to start with some KEVA planks starting here to support the rail. Like this. Now we need to build the ramp. Like this. Now you might want to put something in front of the ramp so that the KEVA planks don't slide off. Now you want to build the rail. Now you need something so that the ball doesn't roll off the table. So you need to build something to stop it. Like this. And then we need to make sure this works. So first I'm gonna get a marble. Now we're gonna test the rail. Well, that didn't work. So now we're going to need to build something so that it doesn't stop there. You want to build something so that it's above the stop, like this. And then you want to test it again. Now it works. Goodbye guys, see you never.